Okay, so let's focus on test management part of quality assurance for today's session. So basically, so part of the test management. So I will take you through the few areas. One is the quality management and the quality assurance and the quality control part of it. So test management can be divided into three areas. Basically, as this is based on the Project Management Institute. So the quality management frame, they have developed their own quality management framework. So based on that, the quality management can be uh, divided into the three areas. One is quality planning, so how we are going to plan the project and overall how we are going to manage the quality, and then how we are going to quality assure. So how we are going that basically the process and how we are going to do that, and the last part is quality control. Basically, so based on the test plan, how we are going to make sure to do the different testing activities and making sure you are going to build correct product. Right? So basically, the three areas that we're going to cover the part of the quality management are quality planning, assurance, and control. So those are the three areas part of quality management that we come across in the industry. So we'll look at the quality planning portion first, part of quality planning. So basically, part of the quality planning, I think we will require to cover what test plan. So basically, any software that you are going to test, or any application that you are going to test, or any product that you are going to test, should have a quality assurance plan. So we call it, sometimes people call test plan or quality management plan or quality assurance plan. So various names that people will use, but basically the quality assurance plan is kind of a bible that we are going to use for our entire testing, and we are going to define how we are going to test and how we are going to achieve the end expectation of software testing. So the quality assurance plan is one of key portion of planning. Okay, so it's kind of a rule book or something like that, right? So it define how we are going to test and what we are going to test and when we are going to test. Basically, we are going to answer these three different questions. So what we are going to test and how we are going to test and when we are going to test. What, how, and when questions we will be answering through this quality assurance plan or quality management plan. Basically, the previous activities that we perform will be part of this. We discuss about how to derive a strategy. So this test strategy will be a part of test plan, and different testing times will be identified. That is a part of test plan, and that we will use set of test design techniques that will be part of your plan, and you have to define which design techniques you are going to use for a test case writing and all this, and how we are going to do the test execution, how we are going to do the test results management, and how we are going to do the your defect tracking, and all those things have to be clearly documented into a plan and included into a plan. So that's what we call test plan. It has to be documented. So it may be the format of the document will be different. It may be a online template or Confluence page or something like that. But again, it has to be documented and agreed by everybody, all the stakeholders of the project. Basically, quality assurance manager, quality lead, or test engineer who responsible for the testing in your project will derive this, but it will be reviewed by the technical team, it will be reviewed by the project management team, business analyst team, your client, and all the other stakeholders, and everybody need to be signed off. That means everybody need to be agreed your approach, your plan. So that's basically it's kind of a complete guideline, it's kind of a complete set of instructions, rules that included how we are going to test, and if that will be agreed by everyone, everybody